The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel is a book that delves into the intricate relationship between human behavior, psychology, and money management. Here is a detailed chapter-wise summary. Chapter 1: No One's Crazy. Housel begins by discussing how seemingly irrational financial decisions often make sense when considering individual circumstances. He illustrates that financial decisions are shaped by personal experiences, emotions, and biases, challenging the notion of purely rational decision-making in finance. Chapter 2: Luck and Risk. This chapter delves into the intertwined nature of luck and risk in financial success. Housel emphasizes the significant role luck plays in outcomes and explores how acknowledging the role of luck can lead to more prudent decision-making. Chapter 3: Never Enough. Housel explores the concept of contentment and sufficiency when it comes to money. He stresses the idea that defining enough is crucial for financial well-being, arguing that continuous pursuit without defining enough can lead to perpetual dissatisfaction. Chapter 4: Confounding Compounding. Here, Housel discusses the power of compounding in wealth creation. He emphasizes the importance of patience and consistency in investing, highlighting how small, regular contributions can lead to significant growth over time. Chapter 5: Getting Wealthy versus Staying Wealthy. This chapter explores the difference between accumulating wealth and preserving it. Housel discusses the importance of risk management and adaptability in maintaining wealth over the long term. Chapter 6: Tails, You Win. Housel focuses on the impact of extreme events or outliers on financial outcomes. He emphasizes the need to manage risks effectively to avoid catastrophic losses, highlighting the unpredictability of extreme events. Chapter 7: Freedom. The concept of financial freedom takes center stage here. Housel discusses how money can provide choices and freedom, but true freedom comes from having control over one's time and decisions, regardless of the amount of wealth. Chapter 8: Man in the Car Paradox. Housel uses the man in the car paradox to illustrate the misconception that outward displays of wealth equate to financial success. He emphasizes the importance of understanding that true wealth often lies beneath visible symbols. Chapter 9: Wealth is What You Don't See. This chapter explores the idea that genuine wealth often exists in the invisible aspects of financial decisions, wise choices, avoiding unnecessary risks, and responsible financial management. Chapter 10: Save Money. Housel stresses the fundamental importance of saving money and living below one's means. He illustrates how consistent saving contributes significantly to financial security and resilience. Chapter 11: Reasonable, Rational. Housel differentiates between being rational, optimal, and being reasonable, practical, in financial decisions. He argues that aiming for reasonableness in decision-making is often more sustainable and beneficial in the long run compared to strict rationality. Chapter 12: Surprise. The final chapter highlights the unpredictability of life and financial markets. Housel emphasizes the importance of being prepared for unexpected events, and embracing uncertainty as a crucial aspect of managing finances wisely. Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money intricately weaves together behavioral insights and financial wisdom, offering readers a deeper understanding of the psychological underpinnings behind financial decisions. Through real-world examples and relatable anecdotes, Housel provides valuable lessons on money management, risk, contentment, and the nuanced aspects of wealth. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe our channel for more content.